Okay, my friend, 4 cam, the temperature dropped, and our tenant called in saying, we put it on heating mode, and the house is not warming up at all, not a bit. So here we are. We have a Goodman furnace. So we're going to troubleshooting. So first we turn the mode to nothing, not heating, not cooling, and we turn the fan on, force the fan on, and we can hear the fan is blowing. I mean, the air handler is blowing air out, so that part is good. Now we shut it off and we look at this thing. And first we have to investigate, is this fan, this is the second fan, that's exhaust fan. So the system has a lot of protections, and if the emission is not vented out, then it's not going to start the system, because it's going to be burning carbon monoxide. Okay, so we checked the gas supply, it's on, and this gas supply switch is on. So let's see if this is spinning or not. We can turn it on. Right now it's not turned on for some reason. There's some relay kicking on. Anyway, what we checked, we look at the filament down there on the right. There are 2 lines but parallel to each other. That was the filament to ignite the gas. And on the 3rd burner, there's 1 rod. That should be a sensor. So that we'll have to check as well. So here the igniter comes here, and if we disconnect them and measure the igniter side, it's not shorted, it's not open, that's good. So we measure this, the other side, and we turn the system on and find out it's not giving any voltage. So that means it won't start. So next thing we check, we found this tube. This is called the air pressure switch. And the idea is that if this exhaust fan is not working, then this is not gonna be turned on, so no ignition. So this tube is an air tube. You can blow on it to see if air goes out or not. Okay, so we find out, so either this switch is bad or the exhaust pipe is clogged. Okay, so the idea of this switch is to prevent the clogging of the pipe, exhaust pipe. So last time I took this pipe off and set it aside so that there won't be any blockage, and the system is still not turning on. So in this case, we concluded that this is not working, this is broken. So actually we have done a bypass of this thing. Put this one here, put this one, bypassing it. Of course you have to turn the system on before you do the bypassing. And by doing the bypassing, we saw that the gas was ignited. So it's definitely this guy's problem. So we're going to replace this one. And here we have bought the parts. It's called air pressure switch, about $20. And inside it looks like that. Take it out. looks like this. And two connectors, and let's replace it, so hopefully it's going to work. Okay, after we put the new pots on and set the temperature high a little bit, now we have the flame. Okay, the flame is working. Alright, accomplished. Thanks for watching.